Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Spotify blend. In order to create a Spotify blend, first of all, launch open the Spotify app on your mobile device and then tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Go to the search box at the top and type in blend. Now, from the blend menu, look for this blend icon over here and then scroll down and tap on create a blend. Now, tap on invite button in order to invite your friends to the blend. You can go ahead and invite up to 10 friends to a blend. Go ahead and choose the contacts from your Spotify friend list or share the invite link with a friend who isn't on Spotify. Simply click on the copy button and send the link to your friends via any social messaging app, the messaging app on your mobile device, or via email. Simply go ahead and choose any application or open up your friend from your contact list and then paste in the invitation link in the message thread. Right after you do that, once your friend accepts the invite, Spotify will create the blend playlist. And you can then enjoy your shared playlist that blends both of your music tastes. Your blend playlist will update regularly with songs that both you and your friends like, giving you a unique and constantly refreshed playlist to enjoy together. So that is how you can easily create a Spotify blend in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Spotify tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.